Hi, this is Ashley Jones, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the backdrop tool in Dime's embroidery software. Now the backdrop tool is a feature that you can import an image and it will allow you to design your embroidery right on top of an image of, say, like an image of a garment. You could also use your backdrop tool to import an image of something that you want to turn into an embroidery design, and it would allow you to trace that image. So the backdrop tool is available in several different pieces of Dime software, and that would be including Perfect Embroidery Pro, my Quilt Embellisher, my Block Piecer, my Quilt Planner, my Fabric Designer, my Lace Maker, and Patch and Applique Maker. Each of these programs have the backdrop tool option. So what I'm going to show you today would work in all of these programs the same exact way. So I'm going to start a new blank page here, and we're going to be using the backdrop tool that's over here about halfway down on the left. So if you click the backdrop tool here, it'll allow you to load an image. You can also go to File and Load Backdrop to load a backdrop image. So if you go into your C Dime drive here, you have a backdrop folder, and you can actually follow along with this exact picture. It should be installed if you have the backdrop tool in your Dime software. So I'm going to use this front pocket option. So if you were going to design on an embroidery design for this denim jacket, by setting the exact scale of the design is going to make sure that your embroidery is the right size for your actual item. So I'm going to go over here to our backdrop tool and click this arrow to get the flyout menu, and I'm going to choose Define Scale. So think of Define Scale kind of like the scale on a map, where it tells you a certain distance is equates to a certain number of miles. So we're kind of doing a similar thing. We're telling the software that a certain distance is what we've measured here. So that's the reason for the image of this tape measure. So I'm going to just click the 1 and then just say drag over to 3 here, and then release my mouse, and the software thinks this is 1.95 of an inch. Now I've clicked the 1 to the 3, so I know that is 2 inches. So I need to put in 2, and that's going to tell the software that that is a 2-inch area, and it's going to scale the image to be the right size. So I'm going to click OK, and you'll see it adjust the image just slightly because it wasn't too far off. And so now our image is to scale. So you can add an embroidery design if you'd like, and you know exactly what size that design needs to be on your garment. So if I just click and drag in this butterfly here, that's built into our embroidery tool shed, and it's actually a nice size for this pocket, but if I needed to resize it any smaller or larger, I could see exactly the size it needed to be to fit in that area. So hope this helps you use your backdrop tool.